If you put like shoe polish,
okay guys.
I would put new.
Hi, my name is Jennifer, and as you can tell by this freeze frame, I'm going to Coachella 2019. Oh, my Coachella ticket. Excuse my awkward excitement, but just like a couple months prior, or at least in the summer of 2018, I definitely was not planning to go to Coachella, but my friend prompted the idea, and I thought it'd be good motivation to force me to find a job so I could pay for it, and so here we are. And I also wanted to treat myself to an early 21st birthday gift. Looking forward to that. Wow, this is just the wristband? I was expecting something cuter, but you know what? Simple, easy. Gonna wear it the day of. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed that little mini unboxing, but now let's get into the point of this video, which is me trying to figure out what to wear. People make a big deal about outfits for Coachella. That's just a big part of the festival. That's just one aspect of it, but the main purpose and point is for the music, to enjoy it. So I decided to try to thrift a majority of my outfits. I just wanted to challenge myself to thrift all my Coachella outfits instead of spending excessive amounts of money on outfits that you probably would only wear one time. With thrifting, you're able to be frugal and sustainable all in one, so let's just get started with the video. First and foremost, these are the shoes that I will be potentially wearing to the event. I have some Doc Martens I got from Poshmark secondhand. I kind of don't want to get them scuffed, so I'm not sure if I'm going to wear them. These sandals I got from Goodwill, but I'm not sure how well or how comfy they are long term in the day. These brown sandals I got from Goodwill as well, but I'm not sure if I want to mess them up with all the jumping and dancing I'm going to do in the dirt. These sneakers I've had for a while now, so I'm not really scared to get those dirty, and they are comfy as I know. I also wanted to add these Teva sandals, which I thrifted a while back. Although they aren't the cutest, I know they could handle the desert since they are made for hiking conditions, so that's an option. Accessory time. So these are just things I've had in my closet or I've picked up at the thrift store and collected over the times from friends and gifts. Like, these are all the necklaces. I probably won't be wearing them all, but if anything, I'll just pull from these for my outfits. And then this is a belt I got from a thrift store a while back. I thought it'd be perfect for Coachella because it's kind of Western and festival themed. These sunglasses are just from the stores, from Walmart, Forever 21, and Ross, and yeah, you gotta protect those eyes. I also got these two bandanas from Walmart because I'm anticipating it to be dusty for some reason, so yep. This is a red belt I just got from the thrift store for only $2 by Betsy Johnson, and it is falling apart a little bit over here, but I could always just glue that section down. And I thought this would be a nice pop of color to any plain outfit that I might be wearing. I'm kind of tempted to buy a body chain as well as some jewels for the face. However, if I have time tomorrow, then maybe I'll go do that. Tomorrow's Friday, by the way, first day of Coachella. And yeah, I just need to figure out my actual outfit because accessories obviously come afterwards. I don't really style outfits based off accessories. I style the outfit starting from the base, if that makes sense. Continuing with accessories, we're going to move on to bags that I might be using and then go to the outfits that I'm thinking about wearing. And I still haven't decided and I need your help. So these are some options of bags that I might be bringing to Coachella. I have just this mini backpack from TJ Maxx. I have this classic fanny pack I thrifted, and this cooler backpack I thrifted as well. I just want to keep it small so that way I'm not hindered by holding things and lugging things around. I just want to dance freely. I also thrifted this genuine leather bag today from Goodwill. Same place where I got that belt, and it's really cute. It's a mini backpack, however, I think it's just a little bit too big for the standards of Coachella, but I'll just have to measure it. But either way, it is bigger than what I need to be bringing because I'm not going to be bringing too much. I just want to keep light so that way I could dance freely and not worry about losing things. So I probably will not be using that, but I'll just show it anyway. Finally, we made it to the outfits. So clearly they have to be danceable as well as comfy and have a thrifted item in them. So this first one, all the items here except the bralette I'm wearing is from the thrift store. The bralette is actually from Forever 21, but I thought this is just a nice, comfy, bohemian-inspired outfit. I like how the boss is somewhat silky looking. The pants are just flowy and easy to move in. The only thing is that the pants I kind of trip over, so I decided to switch it out for these shorts, which I also thrifted. They're from Abercrombie & Fitch, but I got them at the thrift store for only $8. And this kind of just looks a little bit too basic. So I probably won't be wearing this outfit. The next outfit, I have the same shorts, but instead I have this thrifted silk blossom top and a black bralette I got from Target underneath. This I think would look cute with some Doc Martens to toughen it up a little bit, or I could keep it more girly with these sandals and spring-esque. But I thought this is a nice, simple outfit. I wanted to try these other shorts are thrifted. They're Levi's, but I did not like the color palette together. I just look kind of washed out, so that's no. Now I'm just getting a little creative, but I know on Friday it's supposed to be a little bit raining, so I thought this cropped sweater is fit for the weather, and I could easily pair it with my sneakers or Doc Martens. Now I'm trying to stay away from basic outfits with this skirt I thrifted recently. I think it's very cute and bohemian-like. I wish it was a little bit more high-waisted on me, but I paired it with this crop top from Forever 21, and I think this would look great with either one of my sneakers, my boots, or my sandals. And I also have this white crop top from Forever 21, and I think this really pulls out the lightness from the skirt. I just rolled it up to make it more high-waisted, and I feel like this could be a look. I just wish my belly button piercing could be seen. Anyways, now this outfit, I was really trying to use my creative juices. It's kind of weird, but this dress, I really love how spring it is, and I thought it'd be cute, kind of like a cape with the Doc Martens to make it more tough, I guess. And I thought it's a little interesting. The belt lets my waist not be hidden so much, and it lets the dress not puff out too much, making it a little bit more cuter, but not sure how I'm feeling about that. This two-piece set I thrifted over the summer, actually. I've had it for a while now, and I thought it's just really cute and very vintage looking. Kind of on the verge of pajamas, but I feel like it's just a nice safari type look. That it's breathable since it is linen, and I think it pairs well with any one of the shoes. And I just switched it out with this other bralette. The first one's from Target, this one is from Forever 21. And I think it's a simple, unique look. With this outfit, I'm channeling my inner G.I. Ho. That's a little weird, but I thrifted these Air Force camo pants a while back and paired it with the same crop top from 1, and I feel like this is a nice, cool, comfy look. Not very bohemian, but I think it looks cute either way. It also looks cute with the cropped sweater I showed earlier for a casual streetwear type of look. Now I'm going back to the more monochromatic look with this skirt and blouse, both of which I thrifted. And I think this is a very classic Coachella look, like a two-piece set with some cute sandals or Doc Martens boots, or even just some comfy sneakers. The bralette underneath I got from the mall. I forgot the name, the place to wear, but it's just a simple one to add some color. I switched up the tank for this linen blouse, and I really like this outfit. I feel like I might definitely be wearing this to one of the days. And once again, it looks like it's a set, but I actually thrifted these separately. And I just think it looks really cute and classic and breathable, great for the heat, if there will be any. Now I'm just adding this for fun because I really like this skirt, which I thrifted. It's very movable and flowy. Although the colors are a little bit too dark for my liking, I still like the idea. And this is another dress I thrifted a while back. Very spring-like. I'm not sure if this really goes with the vibes of Coachella, but obviously you can wear whatever you want, and I feel like this is a nice simple outfit, something you don't really have to think too hard about. These are the fanciest pants I've ever thrifted. They're Black Label, Ralph Lauren, wide leg, high fashion, quality trousers. I just don't know if I want to wear them to the desert because they're kind of long and I'd have to wear some heels or something platform, otherwise they'll be dragging in the dirt. This last outfit is a really gorgeous silk dress I thrifted. I feel like this would look great with either the Doc Martens or the sandals, and it's just really unique and I think would fit the festival themes. So those are all the outfits I had. I hope you enjoyed this video. I really wish I had more time to really think about and formulate my outfits exactly how I wanted them, but I didn't. So this is just what's gonna happen. Hopefully I can figure it out by tomorrow. I still haven't figured it out. I just want to see how the weather is because I always dress for the weather. Gotta be comfortable, don't want to get sick or have a heat stroke. I obviously did not do my makeup or hair. That's another thing I need to figure out. It's whatever. You'll find out. Maybe I'll try to do a video on my outfits, and maybe I'll film a little bit of the festival. I don't want to bring my camera because I'm afraid they'll not let me in with it. So I'll try to film with my phone. That's my whole video. I hope you enjoyed. Give it a thumbs up if you did. If you're going to Coachella, comment down below who you're excited to see, and if you see me there, that'd be pretty odd. The odds are probably slim because barely anyone watches my channel, but if you do, say hello. That'd be cool. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed once again. See you in the next video.